Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to send a photo on Discord using your Android device. Whether you want to share a funny meme, a stunning snapshot, or any image, this updated guide will make the process super simple. Let's jump right in. First, start by launching the Discord app on your Android device. If you don't have it yet, make sure to download it from the Google Play Store. Once you're in, navigate to the group or chat where you want to send your photo. You can pick a private conversation or a channel, whatever fits your needs. Now, look for the plus icon in the text field at the bottom of your screen. It's usually located right next to where you type your messages. Give that plus icon a tap, and it will open the options menu for you. Next, you'll want to select the photo you wish to send. Your device will display your gallery, and you can scroll through to find the perfect picture. Once you've chosen your photo, simply tap Send. And just like that, your image is shared with your friends or group members. To recap, launch the Discord app, navigate to your chat, tap the plus icon, select your photo, and hit Send. It really is that easy. Now you can share your favorite moments, important images, or just have fun with friends on Discord. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy sharing.